Every 4 years, 80,000 fans pack a stadium for the world's biggest game. But the ball they're watching was made by hands they'll never see. Summer 2026. The FIFA World Cup arrives in America, Canada, and Mexico for the first time ever. 48 teams, 16 host cities. The biggest tournament in soccer history. Brand new stadiums, billions of viewers worldwide, generations of players chasing one thing, immortality. Every pass, every shot, every goal. It all comes down to a single object, a ball. But that ball wasn't made in America, or Europe, or anywhere you might guess. It was made 8,000 miles away, in a Pakistani city most Americans have never heard of, Sialkot, home to the factory that supplies the World Cup, Forward Sports, where the official 2026 ball, the Trionda, comes to life. Behind every World Cup ball is a small army of skilled hands, workers who train for years to master a single task. This is the journey of one ball, from raw material to the World Cup field. It starts with polyurethane, lightweight, durable, engineered for impact. Every roll is inspected by hand before it ever touches a machine. In this lab, chemists verify every batch, color, density, chemical consistency. Even the smallest defect can change how the ball flies. When a striker traps the ball at speed, it flexes, then snaps back instantly. Perfect first touch, total control. Then comes the hard part. Cutting the ball into exactly 4 panels. 4, the lowest number ever used on a World Cup match ball. A precision laser slices each triangular panel to a fraction of a millimeter. Every angle is verified by hand. Why does this matter? Fewer seams mean truer flight. On a free kick, the ball cuts through air like a missile. Goalkeeper frozen. Top corner. That's geometry at work. Next, the iconic Trionda pattern, printed panel by panel. Red, blue, white, each color matched to FIFA's exact specification. Multi-layer ink, UV tested, it will never fade. Why such a bold pattern? Players need to track the spin in mid-flight, and the goalkeeper has to read it before it's too late, when the spin fools the keeper. You get this. Now the most advanced part, hidden deep inside the ball. A 500 Hz motion sensor, smaller than a coin, picked up with precision tweezers, placed inside one panel. Counterweights balance the other 3 panels. Perfect symmetry. The chip transmits data 500 times per second. A scanner confirms communication. The chip is live, pulsing, ready. When a striker breaks the offside line, this chip beams data to VAR in real time. 2 seconds later, the flag is up. Then comes the magic. For panels fused into one ball. No stitching, no glue. A heated press locks every seam at 300 degrees Celsius. Every cycle is monitored, second by second. Then a machine tries to rip the seam apart. It holds. On the field, when a striker unleashes a thunderous strike from 30 yards, the seams take every ounce of impact. The ball keeps its shape. Now the feel. Every ball is calibrated to exact air pressure. Too much, and it flies wrong. Too little, and it dies on the foot. A bounce machine drops the ball from a fixed height. Every rebound must match FIFA's strict standards. When a header connects, the ball compresses, then explodes back. Perfect deflection. Goal. Then water. Every ball is submerged, weighed, reweighed. Not a single gram of absorption allowed. Droplets bead and roll right off the surface. Because matches don't stop for rain. On a soaked pitch, the ball skids true. No drag. No surprise. Goalkeeper caught flat. Long-range goal. Before any ball leaves Sialkot, one last set of eyes. Inspectors check every panel, every seam, every color line. A stamp confirms this one is ready. A signature seals the approval, packaged with the care of a precious object, because that's what it is. From here, the balls leave the factory. Loaded, stacked, tracked. Karachi Port, Pakistan's gateway to the world. Containers boarding ships bound for North America. The journey to the World Cup begins. Months later, a different continent. Match day. The box opens. The ball that began in Sialkot has arrived. The referee inspects every panel, the same ones inspected 8,000 miles away. Approved. It's time to play. 80,000 fans. Billions watching at home. One ball. The teams emerge. The world holds its breath. And in that moment, somewhere in Sialkot, they know. It rolls to a stop. Empty stadium. Distant cheers. The job is done. From Pakistani hands to the World Cup. The journey of one ball.